So I dug up this footage. It was from like a month or two ago, from a Nick Mira live stream. A couple people hit me up. It must have been the day that he made this. He was just like watching a couple of my videos on stream, which is pretty insane to me because I've been a Nick Mira fan for forever. Like, just thought I would replay this for the channel because I'm sure there's other people that haven't yet seen this but would find a lot of interest in it. Just sort of one of those like crazy things. I used to always watch like those deconstructed beat videos with Nick. I think that most of them were like Juice WRLD, but like I was a big like Internet Money fan. Nick like obviously produced for like Young Thug and Trippy and X and all that, like just absolutely legendary producer. So, but yeah, anyway, I'll just play the video.
This isn't even somebody who makes beats. I thought y'all were telling me to. Oh, yeah, I've seen this dude before. Ableton user.
It's because I struggled with it for so long. I would spend like, I'm not even joking you, like 10 times the amount of time trying to mix the beat that already sounded good to make it sound better. Then after all that time, it would just sound worse.
I've seen this dude's
like
videos before. I like his beats.
I realized like it's about just having like a good sounding beat. Relationship between each of the sounds and if it's like placed on a song.
I'm good. How are you, man?
Take that as a win every day of the week because it always sounds great. It sounds really unique. That's one of the main reasons.
Bass plugin?
The time it is like 90%.
I don't know. I didn't see. From the video from earlier? No clue. Xenology.
He's obviously really good at what he does and spends a lot of time producing and stuff like that, but he's really into like health and wellness. I remember watching videos, he was like making smoothies or like in between like making beats, he would just be like hitting push-ups or doing like pull-ups and stuff like that. And yeah, just seeing like Nick do that, you look up to the people that are like successful in the industry, and once they kind of get to that place, it's good to see they start to look at like what matters in life and like what's going to keep them there, you know, what's going to keep them being able to have a great output or being able to continually be successful. Comes back down to health and wellness. You know, you got to look after yourself if you want to be in that position in another 5 to 10 years time. It's a constant journey and you don't want to burn yourself out. And it's just great to see that Nick like promotes that openly as well. That's one thing that I really love about Nick. Just gonna cut it into these sections and we're gonna reverse it.
I'm doing well. How are you?
Interesting for the people watching your videos that they're making will the sound of the clip. It's perfect 100% of the time. And there's a little like cheat sheet in there. I guarantee that will fix your problem. I struggle with.
I'm feeling motivated to make some more loops. Let's get to cooking up.
There we go. So I guess I inspired him to use the analogy, maybe. I don't know. Sure, Nick, if you see this video, hit me up. I'd love to make some beats with you or whatever. Once again, appreciate you watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.